National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a flash flood warning for Douglas County, eastern Washington County, southwestern Harrison County, western Pottawatomie County until 10:30 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., flooding was reported in the eastern part of Omaha. Slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall moved across the warned area. Other storms may move into the warned area this evening. The runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include eastern Omaha, Blair, Council Bluffs, Fort Calhoun, Missouri Valley, and Underwood. The warned area includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 452 and 454. The warned area includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 17 and 8. The warned area includes Interstate 29 in Iowa between mile markers 43 and 75. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Use alternate routes around flood-prone areas. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monona County, northeastern Burt County, Thurston County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds of around 60 miles per hour or higher. These storms were located along a line extending from Walled Hill to 5 miles northeast of Ottawa and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Ude, Decatur, Moorhead, Castana, Florin, Lewis and Clark State Park, Soldier, Glencoe and Preparation Canyon State Park. The warned area includes Interstate 29 in Iowa between mile markers 105 and 125. The warned area includes Highway 77 in Nebraska between mile markers 159 and 169. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest level of your home or business. Heavy rain can quickly flood roads, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Burt, and Thurston. The severe thunderstorm